Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to spice up this very boring shrimp wonton soup. I'm starting off with some nori flakes. These are delicious. Next, you're going to add some seasoning. This is a variation of sesame seeds and again some Japanese spices with a little bit of nori in it as well. That is just some Japanese chili, and I'm going to add an egg to top it off. After putting this together, I realized that I would like to add some more flavor to it. So I grabbed some miso paste, and that's what this is here. Now, I don't know if you are going to be able to find this in a local market, but if you can get miso paste anywhere, I'm sure they have some variation of it, and you can add it into plain, boring soups like this one. Now this shrimp wonton ramen is a miso flavor. You know, you can also add soy sauce if you don't like miso. That's definitely a great option to change the flavor and also to add some saltiness to it. I got these noodles at Costco, so I'm pretty sure at any Costco you can find them there. I bought them because I thought they would be really good, and I was kind of disappointed, to be honest. Like I said before, they're pretty bland.
I kind of wanted my egg, but it dissolved.
Into what?
Into the soup. Yeah, but that's how you would do it. Just flip it under like that. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not someone that likes super salty food, but this needed some salt.
What do you think? You and me.
What?
You and me.
Now that the kids are asleep, it's time to do my hair. So this is a hand-me-down from my grandmother. She said she never uses it and she doesn't know how to, so she was gonna throw it away, and I said absolutely not, I'm taking this. I've not used a double barrel crimper before. I've only used a 3-barrel crimper, but I figure it'll do the same thing. It's just gonna take longer to do, and it did, but that's okay. I started doing my hair I think like at 1 in the morning, so I really wasn't doing much, and I had nowhere to go the next day, so why not make my hair look fabulous? I know it doesn't look fabulous right now, but it never does in the beginning. It's a process. You just have to trust it, you know? I have 2 products that I'm going to use in my hair today. I try to put stuff in my hair to keep it healthy. I have this little hydrating hair perfume, it says. It smells really good. It's like a light scent, but it's really nice. My hair is very dry, and that is my own doing. I dye it, so of course it's going to be that way. But I do try my best to put stuff in it, like oils or, you know, hydrating things like this mist. And it might not be the best hydrating mist that's out there, but I mean, it's better than nothing. This crimper has a little lock on it, which makes it handy so that you don't have to continue to hold it closed. You can just close it and lock it. So you do want to take the crimp all the way up to the scalp. I mean, I guess you don't have to, it just really depends on the look that you're going for. But I like all of my hair to be crimped except for the very ends. I'll leave those alone, and I don't take much heat to that part of my hair.
Oh my gosh. Ah! It's like a serum. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize it would be like that. Jeez. Oh. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, wow. I'm not mad at all. I don't know how well this is gonna work though. Like, we'll see. Wow. Wow, it smells nice. This.
I got this little serum in my Ipsy bag. Excuse the nails, by the way. They'll be better in the next video, I promise. If you have a 3-barrel crimper, it does cover a lot more surface area than this 2-barrel crimper does. But I mean, ultimately, the curls or the waves, the crimp, it does come out looking the same. So this little patch of hair that's much shorter than the rest of my hair is a patch of hair that fell out. I think I'm gonna maybe put together, oh my god, the train, so sorry. But I think I'm gonna put together a video maybe about my hair loss and the things that I did to help it grow back. But anyway, that's why that's much shorter. I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate all of you. I'm really trying to get my subscriber count higher so that I can continue to make content and to continue to do this and, you know, just share parts of, you know, myself with all of you. So I hope that you enjoy my content, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.